Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I'm going to take a second and go over something that I've been wanting to do for a minute, and I've used this thing extensively throughout the shop for many projects, and that's this right here. It's kind of introduced it the other day on the channel, and I never really got to actually go through and say, hey, look, this is literally what it is. It's Coet's Borescope, and so far I have nothing bad to say about this. I have literally used this thing for so much stuff I don't even know where to begin. I have done catalytic converter inspections, I have done cylinder inspections, I have done intake manifold inspections, I have done exhaust inspections with it, and that's all just to see if there's a blockage or a component damaged. Some of them were and some of them wasn't, and it's held up. I've charged it maybe a couple times, so the battery life on this thing is actually pretty awesome, and that's with, you know, fairly extended use. You know, the quality of the video is awesome as well. I mean, it's got 1080p resolution. I mean, I can't complain. I mean, it's just as like this. I mean, it's no different. You know, you can actually look, like yesterday I used it for a catalytic converter and pull one of the O2 sensors out and look down in there to see if it was burnt up, and you can see the individual honeycombs, the color of it. It was all there. I mean, it was just impressive on how good an image quality this actually had. So I really literally have nothing bad to say about this. Here's some of the image quality from the O2 sensor. So let me know what you think about that. I mean, it's literally just an awesome unit. All right, so I am going to pull up some of the images off this that I have taken with the camera during some of the inspections that I've done. Literally just hit the M button and it pulls it up, and you just arrow through inside of a catalytic converter. Looks great, but you can see the individual honeycombs in the pictures. Pretty awesome. Wiring inspection, and that was me trying to trace down an issue with a vehicle we had in here. Water pump inspection, crank pulley. You know, look at the clarity on that. It's pretty awesome. I mean, from what, you know, this is competitively priced. I mean, for what you're going to get from one of these, I mean, it's a no-brainer. I would recommend this to professional grade shops. I would recommend this to the DIYer. It's got everybody covered, you know. And like I said, I'm not going to tell you about a product that I don't believe in, that I haven't used, and that was kind of what I wanted to do before I actually published this video. Was I wanted to make sure that I have used it and I know what it's going to be capable of, I should say, or whether it's actually worth putting the money into. And this, I can honestly say, it is worth putting the money into if you want a Borescope. So if you want to check these out, like I said, we've got a coupon code that you can use in the description, actually two. You know, go ahead and check that out. Go on our website. They're going to get you some additional money off, so go ahead and check that link in the description. Hit us up if you need anything, and thanks for watching, folks.